like the cupcake, sweetheart? Yeah, it's good?
More?
No.
Show me more.
No.
Look at what your eye and mine. She's looking at mine.
It's good? You like it? Uh-huh. What are we trying to get to?
That's a trick that nobody can do.
That's pretty good. I thought you were going to do a push-up too.
What's your
A
trick?
rope push-up.
Show me your trick.
Nobody knows it. Mom, I sure don't need.
It's good, huh? Glad you like it.
Try it again, you'll be in the towel. Oh, don't do that.
A little late now.
Hurry! I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Oh, now you have to go to the bathroom? Come here, try off.
And
Oops, sorry.
the kitchen floor will be a little slippery, so be prepared.
I'll go to the bathroom by myself.
I'll go with you. Because you can't open the door.
Back,
They'll be back. They're going to the bathroom.
back,
Boy,
back.
Elliot, and Michelle.
No. Mama.
Aviana. Dada.
You want the frosting. All right. Mmm. What happened?
What happened?
You want any, no, you can't have another one. You have to finish this one. Don't go for another one. Don't you even think about it. Finish the one you have. Here, have some more of this.
No.
Yes, eat this one. No, you can't have another one. You're eating this one. They're the same thing. I know they look prettier, but it's all the same.
Yeah.
You gotta eat this one. What? What is it? You want to sit down? Go ahead, go sit down. You gonna finish this cupcake?
No.
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 Okay. You're not gonna, yeah, I'll eat it.
No.
Who's gonna eat it?
No.
You're gonna eat it? Wait, what's that? You going back into the pool? All right. Well, we should probably wash your face.